Hello everyone and hello to my YouTube subscribers. I'm super excited to announce the early Black Friday sale for my courses. So all of my courses or most of the very famous popular courses on Udemy are actually on sale right now. Now this sale is not for 2 or 3 weeks. There are limited number of coupons that you have, and this sale is only going to last 3 to 5 days. So make sure that you take advantage of these sale. You can see all of the courses over here, the complete guide to combined framework, which is the brand new course, SwiftUI declarative interfaces for Apple device, MVVM design pattern, RxSwift, intermediate and advanced build iOS app, ARKit, Firebase, machine learning, complete guide to JSON parsing, data structure, design patterns. These are amazing courses, and they're so much different. All of the courses, and you can learn a lot from these courses. And if you have taken any of my courses, you know that I'm very active on Udemy forums. You can always ask me questions, and I will reply as soon as possible. Now, you don't have to learn about this or remember this URL because I'm going to post all of these different links of all of these courses right here in the YouTube description. So if you do want to buy any of these courses, make sure that you take advantage of this deal. The coupon code is Early Black Friday, and I'm going to also go ahead and post this on the YouTube description so you can simply click on it and get the course. Thank you so much, and make sure you take advantage of the early Black Friday sale.